One second. Rush that for every meal. Congratulations and thank you. Sorry about that. I'm back. So tell me about this fender bender.
Contact us 24/7 on the phone, online, or on the mobile app. Progressive Casualty Insurance Company and affiliates, covered subject to policy terms.
Injured in an accident? Visit superwomansuperlawyer.com.
As if that is your real name. It's Friday, the Glenn Beck program. There's some big news about January 6th and the FBI. Kind of some big news. We'll tell you about it in 60 seconds. So apparently the central banks have added 399 tons of physical gold, about $1.5 billion in this last quarter. It's a record amount, in case you didn't know. So, my grandfather do what rich people do. If we could have just known what rich were doing, we could have, gotten in on that before the collapse. Well, the rich seem to be moving money towards gold. 399 tons of physical gold has gone to the central banks. Of course, not our central bank. We're not buying gold. Why would we buy gold? America, we don't need gold. We're selling gold. So, hey, China, you want some more gold? Look at those suckers buying gold now. I would make an addendum to what my grandfather taught me. If we only knew what the rich were doing, the wise rich were doing, we might have followed them and not been in the same situation that we were in during the Great Depression. Well, here you go. Now, to celebrate the launch of the new product and to support you, Goldline is including at no cost 5 silver rounds, that's an ounce of silver, 5 copper rounds, with every tube of the new 1/4 ounce gold Mayflower commemorative. Now, this is the second coin in the series. I designed it with the Mayflower. It's the 400th anniversary of the Mayflower. It's based on an old U.S. coin, and on the back is the Ben Franklin seal of America that he was pushing for, the one with Moses parting the waters. So you can get that now and get the extra perks on it at goldline.com. Call 866-GOLDLINE, 866-GOLDLINE, or goldline.com.